What's up YouTube? Happy holidays, I'm Giancarlo, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be reviewing the ACS Stage 2 clutch kit. Stay tuned. When I found this clutch kit on eBay, it was selling for about $350-ish, and there was only like 2 reviews on it, and I was kind of just looking for something cheap but still having the performance, and I decided to risk it and just buy it and see how it is. The ACS Stage 2 clutch disc includes a heavy-duty pressure plate, an ACS Stage 2 color steel clutch disc, a release bearing, and an alignment tool. From the product description on eBay for the clutch kit, it says the ACS Stage 2 uses a heavy-duty pressure plate for increased clamping force and color steel friction disc for decreased slippage. So far it's been good, but there's some stuff that's a bit questionable on the product itself, and I will show you that in a little bit. But right now I think it's pretty good, and we'll just see how it is later on. So that's just a little bit of the clutch disc or the clutch kit itself, and here is the actual footage of what it looks like. So this is the clutch cover. It is red, and the thing that you notice right away is it seems like they just painted over it like really badly. Like you can see that it's not even painted properly. From what I think they did, just get a can of spray or something and just kind of just spraying it everywhere. And there's even like blotches and parts of the clutch cover that's not even painted because maybe they were in a rush or something, I don't know. And there's more there on the sides. I mean, the color looks really nice and all. It's kind of like a reddish, sparkly, like a pearl red type of color. But just make the product look a bit like they don't really care about it too much. And that is the surface of the clutch cover. There doesn't seem to be anything wrong with it. This is that Stage 2 clutch disc, and they said it's a color steel type of clutch disc, a Stage 2. So and I'm kind of not properly handling the clutch disc because I'm wearing a dirty glove, so don't do that. I wasn't really thinking while touching or playing around with the clutch disc like that, but there wasn't anything wrong with it. It looked nice, and it looked well. And then this is the comparison with my old clutch cover and the new clutch cover. The thing with this is, what I noticed, it's the clutch cover is the same brand as my old one, and it's a Luck brand, L-U-K. I think they just reuse, or not reuse, but get compatible clutch components, and they kind of just, I guess, add a different type of clutch disc to it, and also spraying the clutch cover with various colors, because they also have different colors available depending on what type of clutch disc or whatever is there. And this one is the comparison between the 2 clutch discs. Then this is my old one, and you can tell that there's basically no friction material, and this is that new one that came with the clutch kit. It's a Stage 2. Like I said, it's the Kevlar friction material on it. And that's the other side of the clutch disc. And both are similar. The only difference really is the friction material. My old one is the one that came off from the factory, and you can tell that it's all shredded from wear and tear and perhaps riding the clutch. And that's the stage 2 clutch disc. Also includes 2 of these items, a concentric slave cylinder with a release bearing and alignment tool. And I think that's really great for this clutch kit because it includes all of this stuff with the package. So I think that's really great for them to include all this. It's probably been over 1,000 miles now with me driving with the new clutch kit on my car. And what I can say is that my car felt brand new when I first started driving it. Every time I stepped on my clutch pedal, there was more pressure compared to my old one, because you saw in the video it was basically non-existent with that old clutch disc. But with the new one, I felt more pressure on my clutch pedal, and every time I started driving it, at first, maybe the first few days, I had to get used to my clutch pedal again because it was a different, I guess, a biting point. It was a more precise biting point, and my clutch felt grippier. After I did like a break-in of like maybe 100 miles or so, you know, I went like racing mode, I guess you could say. But like clutching the first gear and I just went, and my car felt like it was brand new. It felt like a whole new beast of how my car just went. It was really cool and really great that this clutch kit was it's a really great buy, I would say. If I could rate this clutch kit out of 10, being 10 the greatest, I would give this a 7, mainly because of the cosmetic look of the clutch cover. It kind of makes it look, they could at least try a little bit harder on the paint. But other than that, I'm pretty happy of how the clutch kit worked out on my car. It feels better, and my clutch is like nothing I've ever driven before. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. And also don't forget to check out my previous video, which is how to remove a manual transmission. And I use the same clutch kit from what I reviewed now. So check that out, because that video I put a lot of effort in. So just check that out, like, comment, whatever on it. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.